So guys, finally welcome back to CS Concepts Simplified. So guys, in today's video, we are not just going to review a college, but we are going to explore a revolution in Indian tech colleges right from Pune. Yes, we are talking about Vedam School of Technology, a modern institute which is reimagining how the Indian education system should look like. If you are dreaming of Google, Microsoft, or wanted to build your own startup, then watch this video till the end because in the entire video, we are going to discuss about Vedam School of Technology, its curriculum, mentors, innovation labs, and also about the VSET exam, which is required for the admission process. So guys, finally you all can see on the screen, Vedam School of Technology offers you a 4-year BTech program in computer science with an AI first focus. The degree is awarded by your Ajinkya DY Patil University, which is situated in Pune, Maharashtra, and which is a UGC approved university. But Vedam is not just another private tech college, it is a brainchild of Piyush Nagaru, Ashish Mujjal, and Ankur Jain, and edtech entrepreneurs who have impacted 10,000 plus students' life already. So, what you see apart, their vision is to build India's most elite, outcome driven tech school with a clear focus on quality, mentorship, and future skill. And they have been backed by the very major VCs like your Westbridge Capital, SEMA Capital, Prime Venture Partners, which are typically associated with a high growth startup, not colleges. Here comes why Vedam is truly stand out from other colleges because of its curriculum. It is not just based on outdated engineering syllabus, it is designed by your ex-Mang professionals for the year 2029 and beyond. So you will be learning what the real engineers do at the top companies like your Microsoft, Google, Atlassian, etc. The top two contributors of this syllabus of this curriculum are your Nishant Chah, which is an ex-Microsoft and a YouTube educator with 450k plus subscriber. And the second one is your Subhesh Kumar, your ex-Google and mentored 5,000 plus student working at FANG. So these are the top two major contributor for their curriculum. And from the day one, students start itself building the top projects. And by graduation, they have been written over 1 lakh plus lines of code and with the multiple portfolio graded projects. And guys, one more thing about their curriculum. Vedam is not just about teaching theories, it is about mastering the next generation technologies. The core curriculum includes your advanced robotics, your natural language processing NLP, your blockchain and cyber security, AI ethics. So these are the next generation technology, and these are not an electives. These are the core component which is designed to prepare students for the next 10 years of your tech innovations. Plus, Vedam promotes hands-on learning through project-based education. Student builds your Netflix-like UI, a LinkedIn style like portals, analytic dashboard like Google Analytics, and real usable projects that develop your portfolio for the placement. And also, apart from this curriculum, industry certification and global coding events also plays a major role in the BTech career. So beyond academics, Vedam also ensures that the student gets certified from the top industry leaders like your Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Cisco and IBM, and Google Cloud. And also, students are trained to compete in the global level coding challenges, the competitions like your ICPC, and International College Programming Contest, your GSOC, Google Summer of Code, your Imagine Cup, your Google Code Jam. These are the top coding competitions which are held across the world, and students need to participate in these competitions as well. This kind of exposure is rare and in the most of the Indian tech colleges. But Vedam ensures that you all participate in this coding competition and also get certified from the top tech leaders. And now let's talk about the life at Vedam School of Technology. So one of the biggest USP of Vedam is their innovation lab. As you can see on the screen, these are your innovation lab, a startup style lab space where students work on their personal or social impact tech projects, pitch to the real investor, get feedback from the users and mentors, and students get one-on-one mentorship from your ex-Google, Microsoft, and Ivy League graduates. And yes, student can raise up to 1 crore of your seed fund for their ideas before even graduating. So it's a mini startup incubator inside a tech school. Apart from this, their infrastructure is modern, functional, no compromise on tech or lifestyle. The facilities like your sport grounds, your cricket, volleyball, basketball grounds, your gym and recreational activities room, your smart classrooms and digital labs, canteen, breakout zone, and auditorium. Every facility is provided in the campus itself. And each student get a MacBook to support coding, research, and the remote projects which they have been assigned by the industries. Also, hostels are available on campus and nearby with a vibrant student-friendly neighborhood. Talk about scholarship. So Vedam also provide you the scholarship. There is no upper limit. You can get up to 100% of scholarship through various programs. So they have merit-based scholarship for the top performing student, women in tech scholarship to support the gender diversity, and need-based scholarship for economically disadvantaged or underrepresented groups. And their major goal, if you have a talent, Vedam will find a way to support you. And now comes the most important part of the video, how to apply for Vedam School of Technology. What is the admission procedure? So getting into the Vedam is not easy. Only 5% of the application can make it. So the step 1 is to apply online at Vedam's official website. So I will provide you the link of the website in the comment section and description box. So you just need to click on the website and register for the exam. Vedam Scholastic Aptitude Test. The test will consist of your logic, mathematics and problem solving questions. So after clearing the test, you will be having a personal interview, which is the step 3 of the admission process. The personal interview will evaluate your motivation, communication, and passion towards the tech. So the important dates for the examination, your final will be on 12th of the May. The last day to apply for the examination is the 11th of the May. So without wasting your time, just click on the link which I have provided in the comment section description box and go fast and register for the exam. And guys, final conclusion. Vedam is not just an ordinary engineering college, it's a startup for engineers, a launchpad for the tech leaders, and a sandbox for the coders. With an ex-Mang mentors, real-world projects, startup labs, and 100% scholarship at Vedam is to build your tech-driven future. So if you are passionate about CS and your dream is to build something big and wanted a direct route for the top MNCs and the Mang careers, your Vedam might be your best career decision for you. So apply now, ace your VSAT exam and be a part of India's next generation tech revolution. तो guys, that's all from my side. बाकी वेदांत स्कूल ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में अगर आपको अच्छे से इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली होगी तो प्लीज वीडियो को जरूर लाइक कर देना, सब्सक्राइब कर देना। ऐसे ही हम कवर करते रहेंगे इंडिया के सारे हिडन इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेजेस को। तो चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करके रखो एंड मेक योर फ्यूचर ब्राइट विद द बेस्ट करियर डिसीजन। सो गाइस दैट्स ऑल। फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए गुड बाय, हैव अ नाइस डे एंड बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर योर एग्जाम्स।